If anybody need food, I see them, I always tell them to come and pick. My name is Paivan Ponelateat. We here at Estelle Street. We made it happen before it's blackberry bush. So we literally built this community. First time when we come to the United States, we can't find the vegetable that we use in our country. We have to plant ourselves. Sometimes we picnic, So we bring food, we share food. I cook my own cultural food. It's not only for family, it's for the whole community and for the homeless people. That's why I keep 2 fields open. And then everybody walk by, I will say, help yourself, don't be afraid. I'm very, very grateful that I'll be able to provide and we be able to provide for the community.